Our purpose at Kennedy Financial Group is to help everyone live their best financial life. One of the ways that we accomplish this is through providing timely education and resources to our clients. Hi, I'm Bob Dopke, Managing Partner at Kennedy Financial Group. Recently, we held an educational workshop called Visualize Retirement. Retirement Insights leader Stuart Ritter spoke on the 5 W's of retirement: who, what, where, when, and why. The purpose of this was to get people thinking about the non-financial aspects of what their retirement will look like. Where will you live? What will you do? When will you retire? Just a few of the questions. Most people spend all of their time only focused on how much income they will have in retirement, which is certainly important, but what is often overlooked are the mental aspects of retirement. You only get one chance to do retirement properly, and we want everyone to be prepared both financially and mentally. In the spirit of acting as a guide on your personal financial journey, we have 2 Medicare workshops coming up on April 26th and April 28th for people nearing Medicare age. Medicare expert Steve Ahonen will be discussing your options available to you and the pitfalls to avoid. This is a must attend for anyone nearing retirement age. If you are 60 to 65 years of age and interested, please reach out to our office for more information and to RSVP.